Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Windscribe on Microsoft Edge in 2026. If you want to browse privately and secure your internet connection directly inside Edge, this guide will help you do it step by step. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer and go to the Edge add-on store. Next, search for the official Windscribe extension and click Get to install it. Now wait a few moments for the installation to complete, then click the Windscribe icon in the Edge toolbar. Next, sign in using your Windscribe account credentials. Now allow any permissions that Edge requests so the extension can function properly. Next, choose a VPN server location from the available list inside the extension. Now click the Connect button and wait until the status shows that your VPN is active. Next, open a new tab or refresh a website to confirm that your browsing traffic is now protected. Now explore the extension settings to enable extra features like ad blocking, tracker blocking, or auto connect if available. Finally, when you're done browsing, click Disconnect to safely turn off the VPN connection. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Windscribe on Microsoft Edge. You can now browse with more privacy and security directly from your browser. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.